Hey, what's up everyone? It's David here. I've got a new laptop here. It's made by SGIN, SGIN, or SGIN. Well, whichever way you're gonna pronounce the name. No one even knows it which way is right. But let's just open it first of all. Like how you got the Apple kind of style of box. And you've got, because this is made for any country pretty much in the world, you've got all three power adapters for America, Europe, and the UK. And it connects to this power block, so you just swap them out. So this laptop only cost me £170, which is an absolute steal, or $230 in US. But you got the user manual here. There's not really much to it. It's not colorized either. It's quite plain. But like I said, for £170 or $230 US, you don't expect a lot. But apparently it's got an official Windows 11 operating system running on it. But the finish isn't too bad. I mean, it's plastic and it feels a little bit cheap, but I mean, what do you expect for 170 or 230 US, you know? It's not going to be made out of glass and metal, is it? You know, it's obviously going to be made out of plastic. But anyway, it's quite presentable how it's been designed. You can't compare these laptops to MacBooks, you know, made out of that material. So therefore, you know, you have to accept, obviously, like I said, the price point of what you're paying. So in here, we've got rubber mats for the keyboard, different regions, because the laptop is configured to the US keyboard layout. So if you're in the UK, you have to put one of those covers over, to be honest, to use it as a UK laptop, because it has been targeted for the US market more. So the laptop boasts a 12 gigabit RAM and 512 gigabit SSD. So basically just over half a terabyte of hard drive there to play with. And, you know, you think for that kind of, you know, numbers, because the base model Mac Air contains 8 gig, where as well as 512 SSD. So this is in the same bracket, actually higher than the entry model Air. But it's got a shiny, like I said, it's got a nice shiny look to it on the top. The plastics obviously are cheap, but like I said, you're paying £170 or $230. You can't expect MacBook quality. But then saying that, on paper, it basically says that the machine's more capable than the MacBook Air, because, like I said, you're getting 12 gigabit RAM, you're getting 512 gigabit, which matches the Mac Air in storage, but obviously boasts more on RAM. And you got Windows 11. You know, it's a lot for your money, to be honest. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you out there. Keep an eye out for the setup video.